morning, everyone. Just now, I think, just now when the video was playing, I think 80% of the people in the room for hearing Mr. Steve Hatchett. So I think mine will be very fast because I was giving him 10 minutes. So I try, okay? I try. Okay, Vital 5. What is Vital 5? Vital 5 is actually talking about our 5 core products of Forever Living. These 5 products actually helps us to create a nutrient superhighway for our body, so that we can absorb better, we can circulate better, we can fortify our body better. Okay, first you have to understand our body first. Whatever it is, we have systems, we have tissues, we have different cells. We have trillions of cells to make up our body. So our healthy body actually begins with healthy cells. So we have to feed ourselves properly. So do we eat enough? A lot of people say, I don't need supplements, I eat very carefully. But actually, what do we absorb? We actually, along the way, you'll know. If you have slight symptoms like sneezes very easily, you have allergic scratches very easily, you feel tired, actually, I think your cells are not you're not feeding ourselves very well, right? According to Japanese food intake standard, even Japanese, they are very health conscious. But this is the deficiencies that actually are discovered. Meaning, for example, for male, they are short of magnesium, zinc, vitamin C. Females, iron, zinc. Alright, so even Japanese have this kind of deficiency. How about ourselves? Right? What other factors affecting our overall health? Stress, environment, habits, lack of activity. Smoking, for example. Smoking, one stick actually smokes away about 25 mg of vitamin C. Alright? And then environment, stress will make you create a lot of free radicals. Right? Lack of activities will affect your circulation, body circulation, blood circulation rather. Okay, JAMA, Journal of American Medical Association, says that most people do not, this is medical journal, it's not nutritionist journal. Doctors actually say most people do not consume an optimal amount of all vitamins by diet alone. So I think we have to take vitamins. 3 keys for optimum health: absorption, circulation, fortification. This incidentally coincides with TCM principle. 气血通，一切皆通. If your circulation is good, your absorption will be good, your circulation will be good, you'll be healthy. You'll fight against a lot of so-called germs or bacteria. And 3 keys, we have 3 keys to optimum health, and this Forever provides the Vital 5 for us in a single box to achieve this target. The components of Vital 5 are backed by millions of studies. Just now Mr. Steve Hatchett, the video will have told you that they have actually gone through years and years of research with doctors and scientists. Okay, gut health is central to overall health. In TCM principle, gut, digestive system, is the basic resource of your nutrition. Meaning if you can absorb properly, if you can digest properly, you are actually very healthy because you can have your nutrients easily. So gut health is central to overall health. Incidentally, it coincides with our company's nutraceutical department's belief. So in our gut, what is our gut in charge of? It's in charge of nutrient absorption. And I think a lot of us don't know. 70% of our immune cells, 90% of serotonin production is actually developed within our digestive system. What is serotonin production? What is serotonin? Serotonin, without serotonin, serotonin is a hormone. Without serotonin, sometimes you feel very irritable, okay? You feel very sad. You get depressed very easily. So serotonin production is very important for us, for a healthy disposition. Half our nervous system actually is present in our digestive system. So do you think our gut health is very important? Alright? And first, if you want to have a good GI, a digestive tract, okay? So what we have to start with good bacteria in the body first. Alright? Good bacteria by right, supposed to be 85 compared to 15% of bad bacteria. It actually will happen because of the food, because of our lifestyle, But most of us, actually at this point in time, is actually having 15 with 85, meaning 15% of good bacteria, but 85% of bad bacteria. Alright? Our probiotics is very different from the other probiotics that is in the market. Number one is because it is stable, it's shelf stable. Shelf stable meaning you don't need refrigeration. And also we have 6 strains of microbes is the maximum actually. And these 6 strains actually is released erupted, it actually escaped our stomach digestion. It will go into small intestine first, and then 2 will be released in the stomach, in the small intestine, and 2 at 生殖肠 and 2 at 降直肠. So actually, all the 6 bacteria have different functions, and you don't find this kind of probiotics in the market. All right. Next, probiotics is giving us good bacteria, whereas we need our aloe vera gel to give our digestive system a good environment so that the bacteria can work properly also. So what does our aloe vera gel provide? It actually helps with digestion, immune function and support, because inside our aloe vera gel we have more than 200 micronutrients. Alright, and then we have a lot of trace minerals and vitamins. We have 18 amino acids actually, and out of them 8 are essential amino acids. What do you mean by essential amino acids? Essential amino acids means our body cannot produce ourselves. We must take in. It's essential. We must take, or else we'll be short of these kind of nutrients. Okay. And then we have 12 endocrine complexes, which is incidentally its anti-inflammation properties, help us fight against inflammation. Okay. And then of course, with all these functions, you will enhance your nutrient absorption. Next, we go on to circulation. Just now we talk about absorption, now we talk about circulation. Circulation, our Nobel Prize winner, Dr. Murad, actually says, making sufficient quantities of nitric oxide will dilate the blood vessels, improve the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. I think this one is self-explanatory, I don't need to explain. But a lot of people only think Argi Plus as blood circulation supplement. Actually, if the blood circulation is good, there's another very important function. If your blood circulation is good, your transportation of your nutrient is also important. Then you can fulfill that function. Or else it's not just on cardiovascular health, yeah? Okay. So nitric oxide, the precursor is L-arginine. That means you need L-arginine to produce nitric oxide. Alright? With nitric oxide, you can improve your blood flow because it helps dilate the blood vessels. Okay, Argi Plus. Besides cardiovascular health, actually it's energy production, joints and muscles. Why joint and muscles? Actually, this is company literature, but understanding from a TCM point of view, 气血通，通则不痛. If your circulation is smooth, you won't have joint pains, you won't have muscle aches and stuff like that. So joints and muscles, immune system, nervous system. Okay, Arctic Sea. Arctic Sea, scientists have found that taking 1 gram of essential fatty acids, again, essential meaning our body cannot produce, we have to take in. Like those in Arctic Sea is beneficial to our health. And just so happened that our Arctic Sea has an ideal combination, ideal ratio of EPA and DHA 1:1. And also because of the content that was given, we are able to maintain our omega-3 and omega-6 as to 1:1, which is the ideal combination also for optimum performance. Forever Daily is our new product. It's very, very good. Last time we only pay a lot of attention to vitamins. We seldom pay attention to minerals. Actually, minerals are very important, especially for people body constitution who tends to grow have a lot of growth. That means lumps. Actually, minerals are very good for that. Forever Daily, 14 vitamins, 10 minerals. We have 20 carefully selected vegetables and fruits. And then we have this thing called delivery system, which we call oligosaccharides, to help transport the nutrients into our body. Maximize absorption and metabolism. So with Forever Daily, a lot of us actually cannot even meet the minimum daily requirements. But with Forever Daily, we are able to. At least minimum. We are not giving you a lot, just minimum. Make sure that you have. What Mr. Steve Hatchett said just now is actually filling the nutrition gaps. That means with those that we cannot fill in, we just have to fill it up. Not enough. Okay, so complete nutrient is essential for overall. This one we know. Absorption, circulation, fortification. With absorption, we are talking about aloe vera gel and probiotics. Circulation is Argi Plus. Fortification is Forever Daily and Arctic Sea. I hope this everybody understand by now. Okay, and all is in Vital 5. Alright, so this is a very simple way to share our products. Actually, this Vital 5 is very important for people who don't know how to explain all our products. Actually, this is a very basic for people to share. Say, I don't know what's your problem, but what Mr. Steve Hatchett said, we are not doctors. We are not here to diagnose and solve the problem. But the thing is that if you know these 5 products, you are able to tell that this in order to maintain your body balance, these are the 5 you take. That's all. So it's very simple, alright? Alright, so everyone you know can benefit from Vital 5. And what does Vital 5 actually mean? Remind you again. Vital 5 is 5 vital core products of our forever living for our health and for our vitality. Okay, thank you very much.